In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make a rotating color pattern on the Brightboard. You should already know how to add the Brightboard menu to the MakeCode editor and how to download a program from the MakeCode editor to the Microbit. If you don't, you should watch those tutorials first. We'll start by creating a pattern on the Brightboard using the Set Pattern code block from the Brightboard menu. Take the Set Pattern code block and place it in the OnStart code block in the editor window. The Set Pattern code block lets us specify a pattern of colors that will repeat until all the LEDs on the Brightboard are filled with that pattern. You can change the number of colors in the pattern with the plus or minus buttons, like so. We'll start with a pattern of just two colors, say red and blue. The Set Pattern code block will send its changes to the memory in the Microbit, but to actually view those changes on the Brightboard pixels, we'll need the Show block. Now we can download this program to the Microbit and see what happens to the colors on the Brightboard. Sure enough, there's our pattern of blue and red. Now to make the pattern rotate, we'll take the Rotate Pixels block from the Brightboard menu and place it in the Forever loop. This goes in the Forever loop because we want our pattern to keep rotating, not just rotate once. And once again, to view the changes to the pixels, we'll need the Show block. And we'll add a Pause block from the Basic menu because we don't want our pattern to rotate too quickly. We would like to be able to see each frame as the colors change. So we'll add a pause of 200 milliseconds. And now we can download our program to the Microbit and watch the changes on the Brightboard. And sure enough, there's our rotating color pattern. And we can easily change the colors in the pattern by adding another color, for example, and downloading it. And there's our 3-color pattern. You can also change the direction of the rotation to backwards by changing the Rotate Pixels block. So it rotates the other way. And you can speed up or slow down the rotation by changing the time delay between frames in the Forever block. And now you see how simple it is to create rotating color patterns on the Brightboard using Set Pattern and Rotate Pixels.